Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm with Euroshield Roofing, and one of the most common questions that I get on this product is it tough to work with? How do you cut it? Do you need special tools or machinery to work with this stuff? And I'd like to show you just how easy it is to work with and how easy it is to cut. So what we have here is a mock-up of a typical roof system. Our product is installed in rows, much the same as a lot of the other roofing products. So the rows are installed with each one of the panels. At the end of the rows, you're going to have to make a cut, whether it be on a valley or a hip, or in this instance, a rake edge. So I'm going to show you how easy that cut can be. So what you're going to need for cutting our product is your typical straight blade. And it's not a hook blade, it's actually just a regular knife blade that's in here. And we're going to be scoring the top face of this. So we have a mark. Wherever you need to make the mark on the top edge of the panel is the best place to make that mark. And I use a framing square, just your typical framing square, and I use it on the top edge. Reason for that is the bottom edge is a little bit uneven, and that's not going to give you a true straight line. So the top edge is what you want to use as your guide. Once you have that in, take your knife, and it's just medium pressure and a score all along the top face. When you get to the end, a little bit extra effort is required just to give that final cut there, and then it's just a matter of breaking that piece. And it's almost similar to drywall, how it breaks. You see how nice and easy that is? And there you go. So in certain situations, you're going to find that you're going to need to make an angled cut, whether that be in a valley or on a hip. And it's the same sort of scenario that you'd run into with a straight cut, but you can't use that top edge as your guide. So what you would want to do is make a mark on the top, make a mark on the bottom, and join the two with a straight edge, and same process is required. And just a fold, tear, and there you have it. Easy as pie.
That was easy.
So there you have it. That's the basics of cutting Euroshield roofing. Rubber roofing is fantastic to work with. It's easy on the hands, easy on the knees, easy on the eyes, and you're just going to love working with this. The contractors do, and you're going to love it on your house. If you want more information, contact Euroshield Roofing at the link below or give us a call at the office.